Hello everyone, welcome to Secure Technology. So before I dive into the phases of hacking, I want to make something very clear. The information shared in this video is to educate you and empower you with ethical cybersecurity knowledge. Here is an important disclaimer. The content presented in this video is for educational purpose and is intended to promote ethical practices in cybersecurity. The techniques, tools, and methodologies discussed are shared to enhance your understanding of ethical hacking and cybersecurity principles. This channel, Secure Technology, does not condone or encourage any illegal or unauthorized activities. Any misuse of the information provided in this video is solely the responsibility of the individuals involved. I urge all viewers to ensure they have proper authorization before engaging in any hacking activities and to adhere to the legal and ethical standards of their respective countries. The channel will not be held liable for any misuse of the resources or information shared. By continuing to watch this video, you agree to use the information responsibly and for lawful purpose only. Welcome to all phases of ethical hacking part. So this is one of the critical part in cybersecurity, since ethical hackers stimulate real-world attacks to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen the system at the same time. So this video is just going to give you some insights about the methodologies and tools used by ethical hackers. So the first phase of ethical hacking is the reconnaissance phase. This is sometimes is also called information gathering or footprinting section as well. So in this section, in this phase, preparatory phase, the hackers collect information as much possible about the target. So he collects information in three groups, like network, host, and people involved. So this reconnaissance is of two types, like active reconnaissance and passive reconnaissance. So in the active reconnaissance, the hacker directly interact with the target system to get information about the target, and in the passive reconnaissance, he does passively collect information without directly accessing the target. So this is done using like social media, online websites, different ways online. So some of the tools used for this are Nmap, Recon, NG, Maltigo, Google Docker. So the second phase of ethical hacking is the scanning and enumeration part. So there are three types of scanning involved in this part. So the first part is the port scanning. In this phase, the hacker scans the target for and looks for information like open ports, live system, or various system running on the host. The second part is the vulnerability scanning, where the hackers check for the target for weaknesses or vulnerabilities which can be exploited. This is usually done with the help of automated tools, which will I later be demonstrating you. The third is the network mapping or directory brute forcing. So over here the hackers find information about the topology of network, router, firewalls, etc. if present in the host system or the target system. So this will help this information will help the hacker in the process of hacking and will serve as a valuable information to the hacker. So the third phase of ethical hacking is the gaining access part or exploiting system. So in this phase, the hacker basically breaks into a system or network using various tools or methods. So after entering into the system, he or she tries to increase the privilege to administrator levels so that later the hacker can install or modify anything or any data or hide data to the system, whatever he wants to do. The fourth phase of ethical hacking is the maintaining access part. So in this part, the hacker not only just hacks into the system to show it was vulnerable, but he also creates a backdoors so that later he can get access into the system without the knowledge of the user. So this is done using like torsion, rootkits, or other malicious file. The aim of the hacker over here is to maintain access to the target until he finishes the task or he planned to accomplish in that target. So the fourth part is the one of the most important part, which is not done by every hackers. So the clearing track part. So this is only done by experienced hackers, and every hackers don't know how to do this. So this is only done by intelligent hackers, where he clear out all the evidences which he has used for hacking, so that nobody can get a trace leading to him, which can like fall him in trouble later. So to achieve this, the hacker focuses on modifying, corrupting, or deleting the log files securely, altering registry, uninstalling all applications used like this. In this event, if the site or the system is compromised, so that nobody gets a trace of whatever he has done. So that was it for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in my later videos, I hope you will enjoy the videos because I will be demonstrating this all practically. So that's it for the video. Thank you.